Line Jonas J, and this is my report. Handling inmates with pregnant inmates, other nationalities, and concept of jail security. Ito po, number 1, handling pregnant inmates. Medical care, provide regular prenatal care including medical check-up, proper nutrition, and access to healthcare professionals, especially to accommodation, ensure the ability of sustainable sleeping arrangements, reduce physical labor, and protection from the stressful of unsafe environments. Mental health support, offer the counseling service to address potential stress or anxiety related to pregnancy, custody, childbirth planning, collaborate with healthcare providers to plan for childbirth and hospital settings, ensuring